everyone, today I wanted to show you 3 different hairstyles using a hairdryer. Look number 1 is the straight look. All you have to do is आपको अपने बालों को ऐसे सेक्शन करना है. Smaller the section the better. And जो larger section होगा ना उसे clip कर देना, नहीं तो बीच में आता रहता है. So next step will be brush करो अपने बाल अच्छे से. Dryer के ऊपर nozzle जरूर लगाना and start doing the process like I'm showing in the video. बहुत ही easy है. अगर आपके बाल हल्के से गीले भी हो ना तो ये process करते करते सूख भी जाते हैं. And now I'm gonna do the other side too very quickly, very easily. Yay! So that's the final look. Absolutely love this one. This is what I do on literally on everyday basis. Now look number 2, how to get the bounce. कभी कभी हमको ऐसे front में bounce चाहिए होता है. So अपने बालों का section लो V या U में and dry कर लो. Then you can put these rollers. बहुत easily मिल जाते हैं. इनको velcros भी कहते हैं. You get it very very easily. तो मैं आगे से 3 कर लेती हूँ and then I get the perfect bounce. And now look number 3, peachy curls. Absolutely love this look. All you have to do is आपको ना बहुत सारी plates बनाने अपने बाल में. मैंने around 6 बनाई हैं. आप ज़्यादा भी बना सकते हो. Jenny लोग कहते हैं कि ये करके आप सो जाओ and next day you will have the peachy curls. No, all you have to do is इसके ऊपर आप बस dry use करो. Perfect. In 10 minutes you'll get the beachy curls, and if you use a hairspray also it will stay for a bit longer time. So yeah, just do this and then open up. So these were the 3 simple looks you can create using a hairdryer. Super easy. Then you can thank me later. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.